Hey, I've got an abundance of lemons here at the moment, so I'm going to show you how I make my really easy microwave lemon curd. It's a quick recipe. You just whip it up with a whisk in the microwave, and it uses up the extra egg yolks that I have left over from my macarons. Let me show you how I do it now.
Let's prepare our ingredients. Use a fresh lemon. You need about 2 tablespoons of juice. Then, using a fine grater, remove the lemon rind. You only want the yellow, not the white. You need 2 egg yolks. I usually use the shells to separate the yolks from the whites. I'll keep those egg whites to make some macarons, but you can use them for meringues and lots of other uses as well. Cut 45 grams or 3 US tablespoons of salted butter into cubes and let it soften to room temperature. In a microwave-safe bowl, add 1/3 of a cup of sugar, 2 egg yolks, 45 grams or US 3 tablespoons salted butter at room temperature, 1.5 teaspoons of lemon zest, 2 metric tablespoons or 2.5 US tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, and then whisk together. As you're about to see, it's probably easiest to add the butter after and whisk all the other ingredients first. Pop the bowl into the microwave and heat on high for 1 minute. Remove from microwave and stir. Then pop back into the microwave for another 1 minute on high. Take it out and stir again. Then, using a spoon, check the consistency. If you pop the spoon in and you can draw a clean line on the back of the spoon, it's good. Otherwise, you'll need to put it back in the microwave for 30-second increments until it's good. Push the lemon curd through a sieve. Then pour it into a clean jar and pop it into the fridge to cool. This small batch recipe makes about 1/2 a cup. Once the lemon curd is cooled, use as you like. I piped mine onto daisy cookies and mini tartlets, and I decorated them with little fondant daisies I have an upcoming tutorial on. And this is a batch I didn't sieve and added to white chocolate ganache for a beautiful speckled filling for macarons.
Lemon curd, super delicious. Yum.